wanted to share an exercise with you guys today. Let me just get this camera one more centered here on my kind of homemade GHR / Nordic curl device. And I'm going to be showing you guys an exercise called the Nordic hip hinge. And this can be a good alternative to the GHR for a home gym setting. It's a lot like a leg curl, and your glutes and your hams are both going to be on fire while performing this movement. Give me 2 more. So, when you do those, you'll really feel it in your hamstrings. The Nordic hip hinge, definitely a good one to try out to really blast that posterior chain. I also do the Nordic curl as well. And when I do the Nordic curl, I use one of these things to assist myself. So give that a try. Definitely a great movement to incorporate in your workouts, the Nordic hip hinge. Great alternative to a GHR. You just got to make sure you have something to stick your feet under. And you can go at it from there. You'll really feel the burn when you lower, and then also when you come up, so both on the eccentric phase and the concentric phase, your hamstrings are under tension, which is a good thing. So try that out.